So one roadblock between power furniture could be the availability of receptacles within your house. As a power chair does need to be plugged in, you may not have the space or not be in the area where you need it to go. That we have the rechargeable battery pack. The rechargeable battery pack is a lithium battery pack that will run your chair independently from a power outlet. It's simple to install. Our great delivery team will install it for you when they deliver it, but you will need to charge it. I'm going to show you how to hook that up. So in your standard power recliner, you have your power cord as such, plugged into the outlet coming out with a female port. The battery pack is simple. It has a male port and a female port. You're going to plug the female and male to the chair. Now you're going to plug male to female. You're going to plug into the wall outlet. At this point now, your chair is operational and your battery is charging. When your battery has completed charging, you can simply unplug this part, and now your chair is 100% running on its battery pack. There is a shelf underneath the back of your chair, which you can insert the battery and tuck the wire away for it not to be seen. And you can simply roll this up, put it away until next time. So that's it. That's how you install a battery pack. Simple and easy. Not a whole lot to it. So if you like this video, don't forget, go down, subscribe, smash that like button. We got to get all the likes. I want all the likes. And subscribe so you can come back, check out the next video, and we can say what's up and see what's up with our next recliner. Get lazy.